Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video I am going to tell you how to make the children to write. So guys, first of all make them to hold the pencil in proper way and take the 4 lines notebook and make the dots as I am making. Then tell them to connect the dots in standing lines. So dear guys, learning the standing lines is the first lesson. Now we are going to learn the second lesson, which is sleeping line. Now make the dots like this and tell the children to connect the dot like this. These are called sleeping lines. Now after practicing standing and sleeping lines, we are going to learn the third lesson. Now make the dots like this and make the children to connect the dots like this. These are standing and sleeping lines. After practicing this, now come to the next lesson. Make the dots like this. These are called slanting lines. After practicing slanting line in this direction, make the dots in opposite direction and make the children to practice like this. Now practicing this lesson, come to the next lesson. Spot the dots like this. Then make the children to connect the dots like this. These are called curved lines. After doing this practice, make the curved lines in opposite direction like this. Now after practicing curved lines right and left, now we are going to practice the curved lines up and down side. Spot the dots like this and make the children to practice. Finally, we are going to learn the last lesson of practicing the basic lines of writing. Now spot the dots like this and make the children to connect them in cross. These are the basic lines to learn any writing, and in this way children will learn easily and feel the writing like a game. So guys, in this video we have learned basic lines to write: standing lines, sleeping lines, standing and sleeping lines, slanting lines, curved lines, cross lines. Dear guys, like and share the video and follow E&E with me. On this channel you will find the videos related to education and entertainment.